In this video we will learn how to draw a square with Python Turtle. First, import the Turtle library. Next, store the constructor method named Turtle in a variable named t, so you'll just use t instead of a turtle.turtle. Turtle.screen is used to display a canvas in which you can draw your graphics. Now, define a function that will draw a square. Use a for loop. Inside that, use the forward and right functions from the Turtle library. In the end, call the function passing a length, i.e. 100. Run to see the result. The default color is black. To change the ink color of the turtle drawing, use the pen color method. To fill turtle drawings with color, define a filling color using fill color. Start the filling operation with the command, begin_fill. Perform your turtle drawing in the middle. End the filling operation with the command, end_fill.